Hailstorm. What a bit.
Severe weather in the form of heavy rain and hail the size of golf balls was reported as the storm hit the Canberra region and surrounding areas. Parts of Canberra were hit by severe thunderstorms, with large hail hitting the Weston, Gungahlin, Hall and nearby Lake George areas. The Bureau of Meteorology issued a severe weather warning for the northern ACT and Bungendore, predicting extremely dangerous thunderstorms. Reports of 3 to 4 centimetres of hail were observed in Canberra at around 3:30 p.m. It can be seen in several videos circulating on social media that a number of areas experienced extreme weather last Wednesday. Wind speeds of between 40 and 50 km per hour were recorded at Canberra Airport and 35 km per hour at Queanbeyan shortly before 4 p.m. There were also reports of golf ball-sized hail and flash flooding at Weston Creek, hail in Belconnen, Ngunnawal, Taylor, Bonner and Mitchell counties, as well as power outages in Everett. With severe thunderstorms continuing to occur in parts of the Great Dividing Range, the public is also being warned to prepare for storms on the south coast, in the southern tablelands and the Snowy Mountains.